Randy Kincaid, and I want to give you a special invitation to come to the largest machine tool auction you've seen in the Pinellas County area in a long time. The G&G Machine is liquidating their used inventory to make room for their brand new line of new machines. And that's some exciting deals that are going to come your way, folks, and I'll talk to you about that in just a minute. But first I want to tell you about the auction. The auction is going to be on Saturday, June the 6th. Starts at 10 o'clock in Clearwater at 11528 53rd Street North. That's where the auction is going to be, folks. And if you want to come to look at the machinery beforehand, we'll be over there on Friday afternoon, June the 5th. Another lathe there. We'll have several big grinders. We've even got a big rotary grinder that's going to be in the auction. And you can go to Kincaid.com and click on the link to this auction and get all of the information, including the catalog on proxy bids. Now, if you can't come to the auction, that's okay, folks, because you can bid online. We're hooked up with proxy bid, and you can bid right online for anything that you might need for your business. This is going to be a tremendous buying opportunity. Don't you ever doubt it. You won't find a better deal on a machine tool anywhere. Folks, it's easy to get to the auction. Let me tell you how to do it. You get off the Interstate 75, right on to 118th Avenue, and you take it all the way to 49th Street. Go 49th Street south, just a few blocks, and you'll be at 114th Avenue. There you'll turn right and go right down to the auction site. Find it on the web. I've got the maps drawn out there, and also there'll be signs up to show you the way. Let's talk about some of the new machines that you're going to have at the auction. And this is one of the brand new Acra mills, folks. Unbelievable deals going to be available on this. And not only that, we'll have all of the tooling and support equipment that you could possibly need. Beside that, there'll also be a brand new iron worker with tooling and everything there for you. So these two machines are going to be exceptional buy at the auction. Check out this bad boy forklift right here. This is one of the many surprises you're going to find in the auction. LP gas forklift with a side shuttle, 3-stage mast, long forks on it, 2007 model. And let's just check it out. Oh, there the horn works. Let's try to crank her up and see how it works. Oh yeah, here it goes. I'm trying not to run it through the ceiling. And then I don't have a license to operate one of these things, but everything's right on it. And it's got good hoses on it, no leaks. This will be a great addition to any shop. Hey, let's check out some of the other goodies that we have in this warehouse that'll be in the part of the auction. There's a very nice C-punch press right there. There's an older grinding machine, an older drill press, really good condition, and they work great. And the one there in the middle is an air hoist too. Everybody wants one of those. Container, here's one just right for your job. There's got to be 50,000 grinding stones on that shelf. All sizes and configurations. Bay lights up there, all the way up there at the top. We aren't going to ignore the fab shop operators. Here's a nice little welding torch set right there. Plus we have several welding machines that'll be in the auction, including a plasma machine. Just to give you an idea of the scope of this auction, I'm going to pan around the main building where we're going to have the auction. You can see all of the machines that we have in here. There's another forklift that'll be in the auction. And knee mills, grinders, we have tool bins, screws, bolts, wire. I told you there would be surprises. There's a couple of safes. There's a big electric pallet jack with a battery charger. Need to clean your floor? Right there's the scrubber that'll do it. And a safety clean owner machine with a recycling system in it. There's another nice sanding machine. Miller 250 with a wire feed system on it. Check out the machine tool holders right there for the CNC mills. Quick change units. A sheet feeder, and also a 10 horsepower horizontal compressor. There's a Bailey shear, looks like new. How about the heavy duty hydraulic presses? A couple of press brakes, a hydraulic lift table for dies, and right over there is another hydraulic table to adjust the height for working on machines or putting them up to the level that the next machine with it is. A fantastic wash tank with the extra baskets for washing your parts. A double closet press on a cast iron table. Commercial industrial refrigerator. There's a big commercial industrial oven. There's a CNC. Everybody loves these inspection tools at an auction, and we're going to have a bunch of them. There's a combination Van Norman horizontal vertical mill with a whole cabinet full of all types of tooling for just about any job you'd want to do. There's some high-speed drills. That one right there's got a tapping system on it. Really cool Craftsman scrolling jigsaw. There's a Westhoff super sensitive drill for very precision work. And a precise jig grinding attachment with all of the accessories. A 12-inch Hyperdex 4th axis. There's an indexing table, a bunch of smaller tools right there, including some woodworking equipment. For you woodworking guys, this is something you can't do without. A Swiss-made biscuit joiner tool. There's a cool item, a pallet jack with a scale on it. A jumbo 3-phase commercial industrial vacuum cleaner. Look at all the machinist toolboxes we have here. Some of those are full too. There is a biax scraper, and in the other box we have a biax flaker, some height measuring gauges, and a comparator. There's some great Starrett height gauges. That one of them is 6 feet tall. Inspection gauge blocks, Bosch and Law microscope. This is a new Acra ironworker that you're going to be able to get a fantastic deal on at the auction. After you buy these machines, you're going to need a way to move them and get them out. There's a 25-ton jack and an 11-ton jack, along with a set of 25,000-pound set of skates or 6,000-pound roller lifts. You've only seen part of this auction on this tape. Come back often to our website. Check out the new additions we're adding daily. We're going to see you at the auction. Don't forget, Saturday, June the 6th, we're starting at 10 o'clock. Don't be late.